I will answer the questions about video of Fred Butler and his interpersonal skills as a restaurant manager. Question number 1. How would you characterize Fred Butler as the manager of the restaurant? And how would you compare Fred to Violet? Fred Butler can be described as a poor and ineffective manager because he lacks important interpersonal skills needed in the workplace. First, Fred is a poor communicator because he mumbles instructions and often yells at employees. His workers cannot clearly understand his directions. Second, he is a bad listener because he ignores important concerns from employees. For example, he ignored the warning that the restaurant was running low on take-home meat. Third, Fred is unfair in making decisions. He quickly judges and fired the wrong employee without investigating properly. Fourth, he is unprofessional in handling problems and customer complaints. Instead of solving calmly, he becomes emotional and angry. Compared to Violet, Fred is very different. Violet is calm, professional, respectful, and confident. She communicates clearly, listens carefully to employees, and solves problems properly. Employees trust and respect Violet because she has strong interpersonal and leadership skills. In the video, teaches us that interpersonal skills are very, very important in becoming an effective manager and maintaining good relationship in the workplace. Thank you for listening.